Let's talk about ways to make money homesteading. Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below. So the other day we talked about 5 ways to make money online while running your homestead. How to bring in an income working from home if you have internet access. Now, not everyone has internet access from their house and they cannot work from home and work online in that capacity. If you're one of those people, then this video is for you. Let's talk about ways that you can make money homesteading using the products that you are creating and making and birthing and gathering on your homestead every single day. Really, what it boils down to is selling your homestead goods. And there are a few different options you have for doing this. Firewood is a really great place to start with selling on your homestead. We have people in our area who have a surplus of wood and they're clearing their land and they want to sell the excess so they can make some money and continue to clear their land. So they will set up firewood for sale signs in their front yard if they're close enough to a road. Well, not all of us are close enough to a road. So what do we do if you're in a situation like me where we literally live in the middle of nowhere? Well, a guy down the road found that solution and it was super simple and easy. He fills up the back of his truck with a couple cords of firewood and then drives to the closest gas station, which for us is about 15 miles away. He will sit in the gas station right outside of the gas station parking lot on the grass, and he sells wood directly from the back of his truck. Normally he has a sign there whenever he's out of wood, and he will just leave his truck parked there and he'll put a sign that says out of wood, be back soon. Or you will see him sitting out there with his truck whenever he does have wood, and you can just go and buy whatever you need from him. So if you're off the grid, as in not close to town, like we're not close to town, and you can't just set up shop in your front yard so that way you can sell your homesteading goods, load your wood up into your truck or into your vehicle that you have, drive to the nearest gas station, grocery store type place, and sell it. Sell your wood right from the back. I would get permission from the managers first. If you have chickens, eggs are a great seller. You can sell your eggs on Facebook Marketplace. You can sell them at the farmer's market. You can sell them to friends and family, to neighbors. You can use them to trade for other goods. The farmer's market is a really, really great place to start with selling your homesteading goods, because you can sell almost everything there, from firewood to eggs to things that you've made to the vegetables you've grown in your garden or the fruit you've picked from your orchard. We have fully stocked ponds on our property, and while I never have personally, but I have seen other people who have caught fish and came and sold them fresh at the farmer's market. Whatever your resources are on the farm, use them. If you're good with leather, you can make some really cool keychains and sell those at farmers markets. I saw a lady post online. She had taken one of those pool noodles and she put it in a circle and taped it, and then took feathers from her turkeys and her ducks and her chickens and then poked it all in there and made a really awesome wreath for a front door, and she was selling those like hotcakes. Do you make jams or jellies, or how about beef jerky and dried fruits and vegetables? Those things will sell at farmers markets. Whatever you're making on your homestead, you're making for your family, if you have a surplus of, that's what I would bring with me every weekend whenever I went to the farmer's market to sell my homesteading goods. It's really easy to find a local farmer's market around you. Normally they're in the paper, you can find them online. And if you're still having trouble after looking at those two places, just ask your friends and neighbors. They can point you in the right direction. Your local town normally will have a farmer's market. If they don't, go to the next town that's a little bigger up, because they should as well. Share your thoughts with me. What are some things that you make around the homestead that you would love to start selling? I want to see videos and photos and read your comments, so please put them all down below. Thank you for watching today's video on homesteading farm life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.